Alright, what's going on everyone? In this video we're going to cover a very common issue with viewports when using a mobile device and how we can fix it with some very simple CSS. So when building a website or an application, it's very important to take into consideration a mobile device, as this is where more than half of the traffic comes from on the web. Now here on the screen I have a very common layout that you may see quite often, where we have a header on the top, we have our main content which is scrollable, and then we have our footer here which is positioned sticky to the bottom, as well as our header is sticky to the top. Alright, now on the right hand side here I have the code for this. So within our body tag, we just have a simple header tag here. Then we have our main tag for our main content. And then we have our footer tag here for the footer. All right. Now within our style sheet, what we're doing is on the body tag itself, which is wrapping this entire little website example we have here, we are setting the height to be 100 VH, which is going to take up the full viewport height, which is going to be from the top to the bottom here. Okay. And then we're also setting the display to flex and the flex direction to column. Now to make the main content take up the full space available but leave space for the header and the footer, on the main tag itself what we're doing is setting the flex value to 1, and we also have an overflow property set to scroll. Now currently within our browser this all works good and nothing seems to be wrong. Now if we go over to my mobile device here, which I'll put on the other side here, you can see that side by side there's one small issue, is that we don't currently see the footer content within our mobile device. But if I was to scroll down here on the very top, you can now see the footer is going to be exposed, but now we no longer see the header here. So what's occurring here when we use this height value of 100 VH on mobile is it's actually looking at the viewport of the mobile device itself and not taking into account the navigation that we have at the bottom. And we can actually fix this quite easily with a few lines of CSS. So here within our style sheet, let's target our HTML tag, and what we want to do is set a height property, and we want to give it the value of WebKit fill available. Okay. Now what we also want to do is the same thing here within our body tag. So we'll set another height property here, and we're going to paste this in again with WebKit fill available. Now that's all we need to do. So as you can see, nothing has changed here within our browser, but if we head over to our mobile device now and we take a look, you can see it now accounts for the navigation, and we can see our footer content on the bottom, and we can also see the header on the top, and we're able to scroll just as we were within our browser. Alright, so that's going to do for the video here today. Now before we wrap it up, I do want to say one thing, and that is at the time of recording this video, it appears that Firefox has already addressed the issue where we wouldn't need to use this fix right here of WebKit fill available. They already account for the navigation on a mobile device. So hopefully we can get the support on Safari and Chrome and all browsers going forward very soon, so that we don't need to do this. Alright, so anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, be sure to leave a like on it down below and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.